Hello students, in today's class we will learn how to join the small and capital letters. There are three rules to join the letters. After capital letters we cannot join alif, dal, zal, ra, za and waw always have space at the left if these are in the starting or in the middle, so we will give a space and write the next letter. And the last letter of each word is always capital in Arabic. The last letter of each word is always capital. Write all the letters small except the last letter. Last letter of each word is always capital. In the starting, we will write small seen, then lam, middle shape, and meme, ending shape. So then we will join seen, lam, and meme together. Starting shape of seen, then middle shape of fa, and then ra. Then we will join it together. Starting shape of dod, then ra, ra have space, then ba. Then join together. Starting shape of Jim, then middle shape of Lam, then Seen is last, so capital, then we will join together. Starting shape of Ya, then middle shape of Jim, then middle shape of Lam, then Seen is the last, so capital. Then we will join together. Starting shape of Meme, then Dal have space, then Ra also have space, then Seen small, then Ta marbuta in joining shape. Then we will join together. Small Seen, then Alif in joining shape, Alif have space, then small Fa, then Ra joining shape. Then we will join. Small sheen, then joining shape of Ra, then Ra have space and Ba capital and join together. Small seen, then middle shape of Jim, then joining shape of Ra. Then all we will join together. Ra have space, then small Fa, then Dod joining shape and join together. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.